How to use theme pack app icons widgets. This is one of the most popular apps in this category. So as you can see, it's like right now in top 10, it's actually number 5 in graphics and designs. And I would say this is one of the top apps if you want to customize your phone with theme, with icons, with widgets. There are a lot of widget styles. It's super easy to use, and yeah, so let's just dive into it. Here's the app, and the first tab in the bottom left, you just see themes. It's like super easy just to navigate, and 3 hot themes available here. So this is one of the most popular themes, and this app is just has endless amounts of all these themes available. They're pretty nice. So yeah, for example, if you just want to install this Simpson theme, you just tap download, and how it works, you have theme, icon, and widgets. And then if you tap download, sometimes you will see, okay, this is a premium theme, and then you will need to upgrade for $15 per month, $4 per week, or $40 per year. So that's what you can do here. Then let's just try maybe, okay, so this is kind of like a free theme, and then you have wallpaper. You just need to tap unlock wallpaper, and then you can do it for free, but you need to do it with gems. So gems, you can find it in the top right of your screen. There is daily gift where you can get like 30 gems. You can also watch a video and then you get 75, or you can just share your link to the friends in Messenger, WhatsApp, and then you can get 25 gems for each share. So that's basically the idea. So that's how it works. And then you also have icons where you can replace unlock icons and just install them. And then you also have widgets where you can also install widgets. So that's basically the idea here. You can see some detailed, nice tutorial how to install widgets. In this app, you install icons with a description file. So, sorry, I didn't mean widgets. Of course, it's icons. So it's super easy. You just download this profile, and then you just, with one tap, you install all of these icons. Some people are afraid of this profile install because in other apps you can do it manually via shortcuts. So you just tap the buttons and you automatically install it via like native Apple Shortcuts app. With these profiles, it kind of seems a bit scary because this is kind of your iPhone settings. But that's what you have, and yeah, then you just basically can install it, and that's the idea of the app. You can just browse through different icons. You can, if you want, you can just get some icon packs without wallpapers. You can also just get wallpapers. You can also just get widgets. Another feature I like here is that they have lock pack. This is a new feature. This is basically customizable theme for your lock screen, where you of course there are lock screen widgets, but then if you want to install this nice wallpaper which synchronizes nicely with all your lock screen widgets, you can just tap download and install your lock pack, which is basically your wallpaper with lock screen widgets. And then you just have widgets, and then also if you just want a simple lock screen widgets, you can just install them here. You can also edit widgets and do widgets yourself from here, and then here you see your your own widgets. And then this is pretty cool that you can do widgets yourself. I don't know if it's so seems it's for your home screen. You can just do this widget yourself and then just save it to your phone and to this app, and then just use it. And there are super nice tutorials, super easy to use home screen, lock screen, wallpapers, icons, how you can do it, all of that. So hope that is helpful, and thanks for watching.